Can we change username on NGL? Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see if we can change username on NGL or not. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch your NGL application in your mobile device. After that, if you want to change your username, head towards the settings icon at the top right and then tap on settings. If you land on your settings page, there you will not find any option to change your username. Unfortunately, NGL does not provide an option to change your username once it is set. However, in order to change your username, you can create a new account. For that, you have to delete your current account. In order to delete your current account, scroll down from your settings page and tap on delete account. Here tap on delete. Once you have deleted your account, now you can set up your account with your preferred username. And please note that deleting your account will erase all your associated data, including your messages and responses. Ensure that you have backed up any important information before deleting your account. And that's the only way to change username on NGL. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.